Hello guys, welcome back to HackThisSite Realistic Challenge number 12. We're going to use burp on the right to solve this challenge, because with the modern browser it's pretty hard and it's not working properly. So they are blocking some domains, and the students is asking us to remove the block list by accessing the administrator panel. So when we open it, we're going to see that there are some pages, internet.pl and page.pl, which is Perl. So we're going to open the main site of the school, which is main.html, to see just what's inside, just to see some pages. Okay, we got teachers pages. We're going to open any. Nothing here. That's another teacher. And that's another teacher. But nothing much. Go to the student work. Open it. Okay, nothing much here. There is a link, but nothing much. And there is okay, Sarah, nothing much, but there is another page, an alum page that use guestbook. So let's try to see. Okay, a message. Let's see what happened when we post a message on guest.pl action write test. So action write inside. There is another one which is action read and file guestbook.txt. That's interesting. So write, of course, write, and read, of course, to read a file. Let's try to open guestbook.txt just to see if the file really exists. Guest book. Okay. So the file really exists. So this page includes a file inside the system. We're going to try to open something else. For example, the main page. Access is denied. Okay. What about guest.pl, which is the same file? Okay, we can't. Maybe it's on the same folder. Yes, so we can read the source code of guest.pl file, which is used to read and write inside the file. Let's go back to the original site and see something more. For example, if we try to open any site, google.com for example, we are going to use page.pl with parameter URL, and you can see it's blocked. But what happened if we try to open instead of HTTP another protocol, for example file, which would refer to a local file? We're going to decode the parameter just to make you clear everything. So URL equals to something, and let's try to replace HTTP protocol with something else. In this case, file. And we know that it's Windows, so we're going to open the C drive. And here we are. We can list the file inside the system. Let's open the web folder and the HTML folder, which should contain the site, all the site. Okay, we know that there is another page which is pretty interesting, probably an administrator panel. Let's try to directly open it inside the browser. Okay, username and password. We can try some injection point just to test it, but we need something more. Let's go back to the remote local file inclusion vulnerability. We are going to open another file inside the system, which is the this page, for example, but HTML pages are not working so well. Probably it's filtered, so we need to figure it out. What action are made when you submit this? So the page is .pl, Heartland admin panel.pl, and not .html. So PL is that one that processed the information. So instead of this, we're going to open this one. Let's see, and here we are. We got the source code of the file, and as you can see, username and password are embedded inside the file. So with a local file inclusion, we are able to see username and password. We are going to log in, of course. Even if the password is really long, it's still in clear text. And here we are, all the filtered file, filtered extension. We cleaned it. Now we should get back the message about the end of the mission, but probably something is not working at the moment on HackThisSite. So just to be sure, go back to the main site and open your account just to see if you successfully passed realistic mission 12. I'm still trying something else, but well, the mission is over. It's pretty much over. So let's go back to the main site, open our account, and as you can see, we successfully passed realistic number 12. So yeah, congrats.